So I ran out of time on that video. But s- if we were to continue right where we left off, um, if you were to use technology, the last slide is not the way that I would do it. It's not the way that I taught you how to do it. So if we're looking at the lid on the cup, right, you would use normal CDF. Your lower bound would be zero. The reason your lower bound would be zero, it means the top is the same size as the cup. Okay. The upper bound is going to be 0.06. That means your cup, the lid, is no more than 0.06 inches larger than the top of the cup. Otherwise, it doesn't fit, right? So if you look at the normal distribution here, right, that's where it's kind of laid it out. Let me move this. It's kind of laid it out, right? So it's here from 0 all the way to 0.06, and that is kind of the sweet zone. Okay. Um, so when you do that with a mean of 0.02 and a standard deviation of 0.0224, then essentially what you have is you have a 77.7% chance of selecting a lid and a lid that fits the cup. That's actually really low, right? Um, but if you think about it, this is actually kind of how like it works because the machines aren't like perfect, right? Like you sometimes find a large lid that is supposed to fit a large cup and it just doesn't fit for some reason, right? And this is the reason is because a certain percentage of them are not going to fit. Um, but yeah, anyways, oh, I don't know why I didn't have this in present mode. There we go. Okay, so that's actually it. Um, I hope you're having an awesome week. Um, if you've watched all the videos, then um, just spend the rest of the time doing your homework and reading the book. And I will see you soon. Bye.